Hello there! We all know how Gen AI tools are advancing, and some may think all tools are the same until you run the same prompt on every tool and see for yourself how every tool outputs a different answer. In this Tutorial Tuesday, we will learn about prompting one of the tools everyone knows as Perplexity AI. Let's get started.
To get started, let's talk about what makes prompting unique when you use Perplexity compared to traditional AI chatbots or search engines. Perplexity is designed to understand and respond to your queries in a way that's much closer to how you interact with a search engine, but with the intelligence and context of a conversation. Now, when you interact with Perplexity, you'll notice that it's optimized for short, search-style prompts. For example, instead of writing a long paragraph explaining what you need, you can simply type a direct question, like Top Tech Trends 2025 or How does 5G compare to 4G? Perplexity excels at quickly understanding the intent behind these concise queries and giving you accurate, relevant information almost instantly. But that doesn't mean you can't use longer, more natural language prompts. You can ask something like, "Can you explain the benefits of using a digital wallet for online shopping?" Perplexity will still provide a clear, structured response, combining the strengths of both search engines and conversational AI. Now let's move on to the types of queries Perplexity handles especially well. If you're looking for straight answers to factual questions, topic briefs, or even side-by-side comparisons, you'll find that Perplexity shines. Open Perplexity and ask something like, "Difference between Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E?" The results are precise, well-organized, and save you time searching through multiple web pages. In summary, the key is flexibility. You can use brief, keyword-rich prompts when you want quick answers, or go a bit longer if your question needs more context. Whichever approach you choose, Perplexity is designed to interpret your intent and deliver high-quality results.
Now, if you want to explore more on how you can make most out of Perplexity AI, check out our course, Master Perplexity Pro, Gen AI Research and Chat on Udemy. Course link is in the description. Make sure to check it out.